So this is the 22nd question. So the 22nd question is that an engine takes in 5 moles of air at 20 degrees Celsius and 1 atm and compresses it adiabatically to 1 upon 10th of the original volume. Assuming air to be a diatomic ideal gas made up of rigid molecules, the change in its internal energy during the process comes out to be x kilojoules. The value of x to the nearest integer is, so let's move to the solution. So we have T2 V2 is equal to T1 V1. So T2 is equal to T1 upon V1 upon V2. So we have 293 into V upon V by 10 to the power 7 by 5 minus 1, and the T2 is equal to 293 into 10 to the power 2 by 5. So therefore delta U is equal to NC V delta T is equal to 5 into 5 by 2 capital R 293 into 10 up to the power 2 by 5 minus 293, which leaves us with 25 into 8.314 into 293 into 1.5 upon 2, which is 45675 joules, that is equal to 46 kilojoules.